Very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to introduce a tremendous love spell that will attract your lover in couple of minutes. Yes, this will attract your lover in just couple of minutes. This spell is very easy. You could hear about the many chocolate spells, but today we make a candy love spell that is very easy, fast than all the love spells. We are going to start this love spell. For this we need couple of things to do this spell. This spell is very easy. You have to take a candy, a plain paper, a rubber band, a pen. That's it. No ingredients required for this love spell. You can get these things from your home very easily. And this spell can use anyone. No age matter, no distance matter. You have to use this spell after 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. in morning. This is the condition you have to use this spell. So I'm going to start this spell. What you have to do, you have to write some things on the paper. You have to make 2 square boxes for this love spell. Like this. And you have to make one more box. It should be like this. And after that you have to write your lover's name. For example, her name is Tina. She is from US. And your name is Rock. You are from Canada. What you have to do after that, you have to write these magical words in this spell. This would work very special things in this spell. You have to write here Om Divam Kurtam Shibama. Hope you can see it very easily. You have to write these words, and first of all you have to write your and your lover's detail here. After that you have to write these words, and please give your full attention here. And you have to write first name of your first letter of your lover's name, T, and you have to write second letter in this box in the name of your names. And after that I and O N C K. Like for example, I'm going to show you. First of all you have to write the first capital of your name, and then your name, her capital, and your these kind of things. You have to write this in this box. And you have to 2 hearts in this, down to exact of these boxes. Here you have to write raw first 2 letter of your word and TI. What you have to do after that, you have to fold this paper towards you. like this, and after that you have to use this rubber band like this, and you have to keep the candy like in this paper for couple of hours, like around 2 to 3 hours, not more than 3 hours. And after that you have to reopen it, because this word will put your all the feelings in this candy. After that, what you have to do, you have to give this candy to your lover one, ex-boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever it is you want to make the control of that person. You have to give this candy to him. After that, that person would eat this candy, he or she will fall in your love, and he or she would do whatever you want. Please don't misuse this love spell. This spell is for true lover, so please don't use this spell in the wrong way. After that, you have to, this paper you have to trash it very well and throw into a dustbin or garbage bag, and anywhere you want to throw it, but no one could see you while doing this spell. This is very crucial part, that no one must see you while doing this. If someone see you to doing this, then it can not be work. So if you are facing any kind of problem while doing this love spell, you can call us at any time. That the number is showing top of the screen. Thanks for watching our video. Like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.